This video is about how to replace the mini blind. My wife doesn't want to clean this mini blind anymore because it's about 4 or 5 years old. She doesn't want to clean them. She said it's too cheap to replace them instead of clean them, and it doesn't look good. So this video is about to replace them. The old one has this type of rod to open and close. See it open and close, and it has string to raise it up and down, and 1 inch is mini blind. Okay, before you buy a new one, or before you install the new one, make sure you have to measure it out from side to side and from top to the bottom to find out the length. So when you go to store, you have to find the mini blind that's small enough fit on the side of the window. But because this is ready made, it's not custom made. With custom made, they're going to measure the width and the length, and they cut out exactly the length of your window. But in this case, the cheaper, I got it from Lowe's or Menards or Walmart or whatever. It's ready made. So usually they make the width is right fit, which is the basic window, like 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, whatever for the width. But the length, usually the mini blind, they make it longer. So in this case, you can see I have a lot of them left over. So this side probably 60 or 70, and my actual window only 34 in length. So I have a bunch of them left over on the bottom, which it look okay. But if you want custom made, then it costs, this blind maybe $50 to $100. But ready made from the store, only $10, $9.99. Actually, I got them. Okay, and this is the one I got from the store from Lowe's. It's a 1 inch mini blind. Okay. The one I got is cordless, which is it doesn't have cord like this one, because since we had this house till today, I never see this mini blind raise up, so I don't think it's cord be necessary. With cord it's good, but without it's okay. Nobody bother, nobody concern anything. And the width of it is 34 by 64. Okay. I did measure this window out from side to side, which is 34 and a half. So 34 will fit just right. And again, the length only 34. My window 34 by 34, but this one 34 by 64. So I'm going to have a lot of them left on the bottom, just like this one also. Okay. And if you install the new one, all you have to do is screw some of the bracket on the left side and then on the right side, and then snap them in. But in my case right now, because I replace them, so I'm just snap them out. We just pull the headrail out and put the new one in, snap them right in. That's it. Okay, this is a closer look at the headrail. So you see the headrail from side to side. Okay, and it had the bracket, which is right here, and all you have to do is pull it out like that. See, it's out, and all you have to do is just pull it right out. So the same thing on this side, to pull. Just pull it out there, and now you can just take them out like that, and it's done. It's gone. Okay, on this case, this is the old one, and the headrail, the old one, smaller than the new one. This is the new one. I put on top of each other so you can see the headrail of the new one is bigger, much bigger than the small one. So in this case I cannot use the old bracket, so I have to take the old bracket off and install the new bracket. And it comes with the hardware. It comes with the hardware right here, and the brackets is different than the bracket up there, and it's bigger. But basically it works about the same. It probably works like this. Yeah, so on the side it's going to work something like this, and on the other side, let's see, it probably works something like this. Okay, it probably works something like this. This one going to be on the left, and this one going to be on the right, and screw is on the side of the window, and then we can just snap them in. Okay. I was looking for the instruction to find out for sure how the bracket going to work, but the bad news is it doesn't have any instruction, nothing in the box, empty. So I have to figure out whatever I need to do with the bracket. Basically, I used to work on the mini blind industry for many years, so I know how it works. But the thing is, a certain company they make different. They have different designs. So with this type of blind, I never work with this bracket or with the headrail. So I have to figure out what the bracket, how the bracket going to work. So by looking for the instruction, I found out this is they make in Vietnam, which is where I come from. Now this box travel half around the world come to me. But anyway, I think the bracket going to work like this. Okay, it has the end right here, and right here the snap. They're going to snap on me like this, and that's how it's going to work like this. Okay, so what I need to do now is untie the old bracket, one on that side and one on this side, untie them and replace them with the new one I have. Okay, I was wrong the second time about the bracket. First time I thought it's going to be something like this, but it's not. And then second time I figure out it may be something like this, but and then it's not, because you see this piece sticking out. It only fit on one side but not on this side. This side will be sticking out of the headrail. So finally I figured out it had to be like this. It goes something like this. Okay, and it snap in on the side like this. Okay, so it's going to be something like this. Okay, it had to be. Okay, so because the old bracket is stay on the corner of the in the window like this, it stay on the end. Okay, it stay on the end, something like this. And now this one stay on top, so I have to drill different hole. Probably instead of use the hole back here to go against the window. I'm going to use this 2 hole, go above the ceiling. That's the only way. Okay. Okay, this is how the bracket look like after installing. One on the right and one on the left right here. All I have to do is snap in the handrail of the mini blind. Okay, after install the brackets on the left side and right side and just snap in the mini blind, and now how it look like. With this one it doesn't have a string, so it can raise up and down, but basically that all we need is open it up with the rod right here, open them and close it. We can close it upward, which is allow the light go upward, or go this way, which is allow the light go downward. So either way, you know, doesn't matter really, but that's how it's you install or replace the mini blind on your window of your house. Okay, bye now.